Hi guys, good evening and welcome to a new vlog. Yeah, I just ended the vlog and I want to start another one immediately because I don't want to procrastinate. So tomorrow, I think I'll go and make my hair tomorrow or next. Either tomorrow or next. It's either I call a hairstylist to come here and make the hair for me, or I'll go out and do it, depending. I'll do it tomorrow. If I can't do it tomorrow, I'll do it next tomorrow. Yeah. So guys, welcome to the vlog, to a new vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Today is Monday. Let's just see how this vlog is going to unfold. So yeah, welcome to a new vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'm loving this, my lashes. It's very simple, just what I like. I'm supposed to be looking here and I'm looking here. It's just simple, nice, and I love it. Yeah, I also had to carve my brows to look good. So yeah guys, see you guys in the next clip. Mwah. Hello guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Today is Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday and I have a couple of things to do today. I'm meant to make my hair today. Come out there. I'm meant to make my hair today, and I also want to cook soup today. See, I don't know whether I'm the only mom that once there is no soup or stew at home, no matter what is at home, no matter what is there, I feel like there's nothing in the house. Once there is no soup and once there is no stew in my freezer, once there is no soup and once there is no stew in my freezer, I always feel like there's nothing in the house. The house is empty. So I want to make soup and stew, and I also want to make my hair. See, the mind is willing, but the body is weak. See, anyone I can do it, I'll just, if I cannot do it, I'll just leave it tomorrow. I can't come and kill myself. So, and I did a lot yesterday. So I want to cook soup, and I'll still go to the market to buy things I use and cook soup. I'm thinking of making okra soup. I'm not certain yet. I don't know yet, but I'm thinking of making okra soup because it's been long we had okra in this house. So I'm thinking of making okra soup today, and I also want to make my hair today. So I'm just checking. If I stay and my body is not pushing me and my body is not cooperating with me, I'll just relax. Tomorrow I'll cook the soup and I'll make my hair, or I'll cook the soup tomorrow and I'll make my hair next tomorrow. So yeah, that's just it. So if I still make the soup or make the hair, definitely I will let you guys know today. But if I don't, you guys will know. This boy is just worrying me, I'm telling you. He's just worrying my life. So guys, yeah, that's the update I just want to give you guys. This is 8:45 a.m. Who's laughing with you? This is 8:45. This is 8:45 a.m. So let me just relax. Once it's 9:30 and the body is still not willing, I'll just relax. But if it is, I'm going for a burial on Friday, so I'm contemplating on wearing a wig or making my hair in a way that I can just wear my hair and leave wig. Guys, I'm still contemplating. I'm just confused. You see, this moment now, I am confused about everything. The soup I want to make, the kind of hair I want to make. If I don't think of something, I'll just come roll my hair. Finish. I can't come and kill myself and throw on wigs. And here my wig. So yeah, that is that for that. We have what we normally eat on Tuesdays. I'll still make that one. Nah, wow. See, if I can do it, I'll do it. If I cannot do it, I'll just rest. I can't come and kill myself. Guys, I'll see you guys later. Okay, guys. I'm looking a mess. I'm telling you, I'm looking a mess. Looking for a better view to make this video. Okay guys, I decided to go to the market. Even if I can't make my hair today, maybe I'll make it tomorrow, but I decided to go to the market today and just cook the soup, so I'll know that one has passed than leaving it and procrastinating. So I'm going to the market now. I'm just buying a few things, nothing much. This boy will not allow me to make a video in peace. So guys, that's what I say. Let me come and update you guys. Let me now it's around 10:30 now. I'm already dressed. We are going out already. I'm dressed already. I'm going out now. So I just want to update you guys, because I mentioned it here that if I'm still going to make this soup, I'll tell you guys. If I'm still going to make my hair, I'll tell you guys. So let me achieve one than procrastinating it and leaving it till tomorrow or next. So maybe tomorrow I'll not make my hair. So let me go and guys, let's just go to market. I beg. I decided to make this style, and I think I'm loving it. Like, I'm loving it so much. Hi guys, see my new hair. I didn't know what to do, what kind of hairstyle to make, but when I got there, I think I love it. I love my new hairstyle. I was able to do all I was meant to do today. I went to the market, I bought all I needed to make soup, and I also made my hair. So I was able to achieve everything I wanted to achieve, and that's on period. Hi guys, good morning. This is around 3. Let me be sure. Yeah, this is after 3 in the morning. I've been up since 1. I've been up since 1 a.m. and I've not been able to sleep because I slept early. I slept very early because immediately I was done cooking the soup, I made beans and potato yesterday. So, and I also made zobo because I'm one person that anytime I'm eating something, I like to drink something as well, and I can't always be taking mineral all the time. So I always like making zobo, something I can always drink while eating. So I made zobo yesterday, I made soup, I made beans and potato yesterday. So when I was done, I was very tired. So I slept off. I didn't clean my gas. I didn't wash the plate last night because I was very tired. So I just cleaned the gas, washed the plate, cleaned the kitchen. Then I peeled, because my son will take fried potato to school this morning. So I just peeled the potato, and so that because I'm going to sleep right now, so once I wake up in the morning, I'll just fry it and that's it. So guys, let me go to bed. I beg, let me just sleep, even if it's for 2 hours. I need it. I need it. I love my hair. I beg, let me go to bed. Hi guys, good evening. Today is Thursday. So guys, I'm here to close out the vlog. Today is Thursday. I'm here to close this vlog so I can start a new one. Remember, I told you guys I'm going for a burial on Friday, which is tomorrow. So I would like to start a new vlog immediately. I don't want to go back on my words of actually taking my YouTube serious. Like, I want to take it serious. So I'm here to close out this vlog so I can start a new one immediately. So as I'm closing down the vlog, I want to be editing it immediately. It's better I edit and I keep it. Then later when I'm ready, I'll upload there. I want to use it in creating memories for myself, something I can always go back to and watch and smile. Yes. So I'm serious this time around. Like, I'm very serious this time around. So I'm here to close down this vlog so I can start another one tomorrow or today, anytime. So I can start another one immediately. I can start another vlog immediately. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this particular vlog. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do well to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget that I love you guys so much. And if you watch this video and you don't subscribe, you're a village witch. Excuse me. Bye. I love you. I love you all. Whether you subscribe or not, I still love you. Bye.